New features of Capo I recently created is that I have integrated the Jira and the linear into the workflow. Now you can capture and directly fill, like you can create the issues on both linear and Jira, whichever platform you guys use. So I'll demonstrate you first. Like you have to just connect your like Jira and linear. Now you will click any of the options. I'm going to click on the visible part, and it will capture this thing. And then what it will do is, like, let's say we annotate something. I'm going to demonstrate you the AI thing. So I'll just click here and just select this part, and I'll say, so I've added a comment over here, and I'll ask AI to fill that for me. So I'm only selecting Jira and linear. I'm leaving the sheets in GitHub for now. Now, as you can see, AI have filled a couple of things. Like you can see the title, you can see the description as well, and it have things like human decision needed here, like, right? So let's say I'll select anything like this, I can fill, and same goes for the Jira. It have created these all things for me, and I'll just click on submit to linear and Jira. It will work on the background. You can just do your other work. It will be doing work in the background. Now, as you can see, we have this issue listed down with the detail, with the image, with the due date. We have the label also, right? So here we have the linear issue, and here we have this Jira issue. I'll move it here. I'll move it here. Like you can see, everything is like filled up. This issue, the image is also there. Let me know what do you think about this. Is this a useful, like, do you use linear or Jira, or is there any other tool that you guys use? And stay tuned, stay happy, bye-bye.